YouTube. It's staring at me. Go to class. Adam. What? Adam. What? What are you doing? Going to class. Why are you having fun in front of your face? Adam, wait up. Oh my God.
I have to switch my earbuds to the other ear.
Okay.
How am I going to do this? Stay.
He's
go ahead and take this and go bam.
He's in some sort of debacle.
What up, dude? I was trying to switch my earbuds without letting my coffee spill.
Forgot my glasses at home. Well, I didn't forget them, but
there's another person here you could ask to hold your coffee.
But I don't want to trouble you.
I forgot
I love you.
my glasses at, I didn't forget my glasses at home, but wait, what was I gonna say? I can't find them. Alana! I'm doing a vlog. She's Santa, and this is...
I'm Santa Claus's daughter! Santa Claus's daughter.
Why isn't there a story... Why isn't there a character for that?
Huh?
Like, people know about Mrs. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus, but...
Yeah, but since we already got a Mrs. Claus and we got a Santa Claus, I'm their daughter. Yeah, it's beautiful!
Makes sense.
I gotta get a present. Monster.
Kind of. Yeah. I'm just gonna put you in my pocket. Wait till we get to class.
Thanks, Rick. It's Ben. He made a bottle in 3D printer.
Coach made a bottle.
Was that the vlog?
Yeah.
Gimme.
Oh, yeah.
What up, Nichols?
The mic's on the bottom, so I'm trying not to touch it.
So yeah, I shaved, and it looks like really good. Yeah.
You should do what I got so that we can match. And then make Drew do
I'm making the power button.
And we can make Drew do the... Oh, God.
Whenever I grow the facial hair for it, I'm making the power button. It's settled.
But for now, you should do this.
No. Because it would look stupid on me.
No, it wouldn't.
I was thinking of like doing like a thing here, like 3 blank spots in the beard. Make it look pretty cool. Be like a speedway. I look like a crackhead. Yeah, I made a vlog last night, so
I think you should just...
look good.
Oh, hold on. Point it towards me real quick. Point it towards me real quick.
Switch to other camera.
Annotation here. To his vlog. Anyways.
Oh, not.
What else was I going to talk about?
Oh, not.
The concert yesterday. Stressful. Solos. I died.
Scared. They're all glazed because that's all I could afford.
You got it from the new Dunkin' Donuts?
Yeah, the one that's down. It's like right down the road from my house. Too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So it's like really convenient.
Oh yeah, this is for that thing, isn't it?
Well, it's for us.
Oh. Dear God. Seems legit. So we're gonna go have a donut party.
Dog nut.
That's
Eat
tough.
a dog nut.
And
What are you doing? Trying to sit here.
They're not donuts. They're dog H nuts.
Dog H nuts.
Dog H nuts.
hey, Dawson,
Thank you.
look what you just did. Look what you just did.
Oh, my bad. I don't know that was there.
Maybe you should just not touch people's stuff.
Nigga, bitch.
Anyways, see ya.